back to Carnivore's Corner channel. Today we're going to be doing some Mexican chicken tacos. Start, get yourself a couple chicken breasts. We're going to pound them out, about a ½ inch thick. The reason we're going to be doing this is just to take some of the cooking time down when we put them on the Traeger. So next we're going to get them all in a bowl here. Let's get them a nice good coat with olive oil. Next, we're going to hit them with a Cajun rub and a blackening rub. Don't be shy here. Get them nice and covered up. Flip them over, make sure we get the other side too. Then we got a red onion and a yellow bell pepper. They're going to be going right on the Traeger with the chicken. Next, we have some dried chilies. We're just going to dry toast them in a pan. Where they get nice and plump. We're going to take them out. We're going to de-seed them and cut the stems off. Throw them back in. We're going to come in right here, you'll see in a second, with some chicken broth. Let them rehydrate for about 20 or 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to get the chicken on the Traeger. We're running at 275 today. We're going to get the red onion and the bell peppers on. Now the camera cut out while I was getting this. This is just them chili peppers with the chicken broth, blended with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and a teaspoon of Calabrian chilies. Now we're going to make a cashew avocado sauce. So we got a handful of cashews going in here. Scooped out half the avocado. Handful of cilantro. And the juice of 1 lime. Blend it up till it's nice and smooth. And set it in the fridge. Next we're going to pull the chicken off. Came up to temperature. And pull the veggies off with it. Here, diced up the onion and the pepper. We're putting half the onion right in that sauce we made. Slice the chicken up, see how we did. Nice and juicy. So now let's show you how we're going to build these tacos. Come down with a good amount of chicken here. Hit them with a couple spoonfuls of that chili sauce. A little bit of that avocado cashew cream. Some of them diced bell peppers. A little fresh pico de gallo. Garnish it with some limes. Put some hot sauce around the plate too. Finish it off with some cojito cheese. Now time for the taste test. I'll tell you what. Between that smoked chicken, that spicy chili sauce, and that avocado cashew cream sauce we made really cools everything down. These were some good tacos. I think you should give it a shot. And thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you like what you saw.